Yo, welcome to another episode of Ratchet Clank Rift Apart. We are doing a little adventure story today, and we'll keep it on. I forget where we left off in the last episode, but today we're going to be doing Blizzard Prime, Fine Phase Quartz. I forget who we're going to use, but yeah, we're going to start off. Blasting off again, just like Team Rocket.
On Sargasso, you said you gave Ratchet the Dimensionator so that he could find the other Lombaxes.
Boom.
I never thought I'd meet one of us, much less find our home.
That's a crazy ass stuff.
Call it that. Do you really think it would work?
No.
No?
Oh shit.
No!
Oh. The fuck's that at? Blizzard Prime? They blew up the fucking planet. Damn. Blew him. He blowed him. Oh, we're landing. I changed the color of my ship too.
What happened here?
It's all blue and shit now. What's the regular one? There we go. It's not the regular one. Where's my regular gun? There we go. Whoa!
The Blazon appears to have stored energy from the dimensional rifts.
Whoa.
Whoa, for sure.
Another dimension.
Holy shit.
Is this your Blazar?
No, but we can find intact phase quartz here. We should seek out the miners.
Oh, yeah. That's crazy.
Indigenous creatures detected.
Whoa.
Facility lockdown. Oh, that cannot be good.
Let's worry about the toxic crabs first.
Whoa. Crabbing out here or what?
What was that?
Seismic activity, perhaps caused by the crumbling barriers between dimensions.
Nah.
I was afraid you'd say that.
I don't want to hit that.
We need to reach the other side of that window to activate the lockdown release.
Another dimensional thing?
Damn, we'll have to hit that,
the
I guess.
instability is worsening.
And pause.
Oh, shit, we can buy the drill. Let's get that. No way. Alright, the lightning, I need to upgrade it. This is fully fungus, shatter bombs, enforcer. Oh, yeah.
That is a popular one. Lock in
Oh, I
what
got
you
no
got.
more.
Okay, where were we? Right.
The
Yes,
drill?
the instability is worsening. Probably why mining operations are offline.
Oh, that's fucking cool.
Haven't you punished me enough?
The fuck is that?
Stupid universe! No
Uh-oh.
job, no face.
Is that another
quartz,
Lombax?
No planet.
I hope it's a
What
Lombax.
else do you want, huh? My mind? Fine, take it!
If it helps, I just found out there's another dimension where Blazar's still intact, so...
Still intact. How do
Oh
you...
shit.
Of course! The Blazon! If the planet hasn't been destroyed yet,
Who the fuck?
Who was that? Do you know what she was talking about?
She must be a survivor of...
Bro, where
Whatever
are we?
happened here?
Frick are we? Oh
Alright,
boy.
we need another Blazon crystal.
Wait, what? Oh, that's some crazy shit right there. Give me all my coins. Boom. Boom. Damn, bruh. yeah, I got all the lightning. You guys can't fucking move and shit now. Oh, you better leave me alone.
Got him. So how are we gonna get the phase quartz?
We should speak to a miner or engineer in the intact dimension.
She's broadcasting to anyone who will listen.
We can look into it after we obtain the phase quartz.
And hit the pawn.
Our liaison is being affected by unstable rift. Universe, please do not panic and form a
Oh,
single
shit.
file line at all food stalls. Thank you, and have a pleasant.
We're locked in.
No, we're not. Come on now. It's a little terminal. Little terminalis. Aha, let's go, baby. No, nothing there, nothing here. There's a little fucking. Ooh! I saw that over there.
Pop-boys are kind of cute when they're not trying to gnaw your ankles.
Which is never.
Oh, I saw
Any
both.
guesses on who that person was in my dimension? The stranger?
I encountered no one like that in my dimensions, please, are.
Get this bolt, baby.
So shiny.
Another birthday. Kill him. Kill him. Yeah, give me that XP, baby. I like that one. Oh shit, we didn't even get the piece I saw it first. We're zooming now, baby. We're freaking zooming, boys. Oh, what the hell's this? No, 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 no. Oh, holy shit.
Where are we?
Goons for less.
Cares? Grab the Lombax!
Goons for less.
More goons for less.
Most elite division, the Broom Goons!
Really?
Get him, get him, get him. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, boom. Boom, boom. Oh shit, he got me.
Honestly, kind of cute.
I'm a plant.
Real goons might be elite, but not as elite as
Shit, bro. That's funny. That's funny as fuck. I'm a plant. Oh shit. I'm an idiot.
And have a blazing please our day.
Thanks for the help, folks. Not really used to it.
We will need a way to
Oh,
mine the
no.
phase quartz.
It's going back up. We need to go the other
Perhaps
way.
the giant drill.
Let's find someone who can point us to it.
Go down. Alrighty. This long ass travel down here. You guys are having a wonderful day, morning, or night, you know. And a good life, as a matter of fact. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button, boys. Oh, we don't have to fight these punks. Okay, they're friendly, they're friendly.
Ah, this is the mining hub.
The
Perhaps
mining
someone
hub.
here can direct us to the drill. The chief engineer's survey station should be nearby.
You are just full of fun facts, huh?
Indeed. For example, the average miner spends 72% of their life underground.
Whoa, really?
72%.
No, but I would hate to bore you by running out of trivia.
What a fucking troll.
These individuals appear as confused as we are.
Earthquakes, lockdowns, interdimensional rifts. Can't really blame them, but we need that drill. We should hurry. Whatever happened to Please Are in my dimension, this one could be next.
And these crystals give me money? Alright, they're chilling, they're chilling. Explore a little bit. Let's see what's in the shop. Look at these real quick, and then let's go see what's in the shop.
You know it is
70
quality when you
boiler
buy
repulsor?
from Miss Zircon.
It's a lot of money. We'll hit the lightning rod. The next
See
two
you
will go
next
here.
time.
I believe we are close to the survey station. The decorations here are slightly more colorful than in my dimension.
Bolts. Focus.
Oh,
What's back here?
sorry.
Why does he? Why does she call them bolts
You
when
looking
I'm
for the
playing?
chief engineer? Use that safety lift to get to the site.
Thanks.
Thank you, thank you.
Dimensional damage
Oh,
seems to be getting worse.
oh, oh,
Kind of pretty. In a
It's pretty,
deadly,
but-
terrifying way.
it's not pretty. I wonder if we hit all those little things, if it's gonna change the whole.
There. That
Whole
must
world.
be the chief engineer. Oh,
Do you hear that?
Excuse me.
no.
Voices. Haven't
Voices?
been hearing them for too long. Wherever the purple is, they are too. First the quakes and the Blizon.
Damn.
Now this.
I don't hear anything.
What do you mean you don't
Except
hear anything?
someone asking if you'll be drilling for phase quartz soon.
Not until I determine what's going on. For all we know, this whole drill site is haunted.
Come
Why I
on
sent
now.
my science bots out to scan the purple.
And
I have to pick them up.
She has to
I
pick him
know
up.
it's safe.
I'll go pick him up. Fuck this shit.
wait. I'll find the bots and
Find the missing chief. Yeah, we'll do this
bring them
one.
back here safe and sound.
These bots have intercepted a message from your dimension. Perhaps it is from that person we encountered.
Hopefully they can help us figure out what happened there and prevent it here. Let's go.
We'll do the missing chief another day.
Testing comms. The bots would have followed the paths marked by the survey rods. I'm sure they're listening in on the purple.
The tremors are increasing in frequency and size.
Is it too much to ask that we be able to find phase quartz without dodging earthquakes and lava?
There you go, boys. That's how she's done.
There! One of my bots is up there! It's... Oh, sweet Bob.
Sweet Bob. Where the fuck's Bob? Whoa!
Greetings. We are in the greatest of dangers.
Oh shit.
Follow.
Oh
Quick.
shit.
Okay.
Come. Oh, goodness. Oh, no. Hurry. Hurry. Scorched fur smells awful.
There, I smacked it, baby.
Finally, a decent connection.
You could describe almost anything on this planet.
We should be cautious.
Get him down, baby. Oh shit.
I'll ping her so she comes back to me. Looks like she picked up an audio file. I'll start cleaning it up. There's an old research lab ahead. If I know Jim, that's where he'd head first.
Jim? Oh, right. Another bot. On it.
How do I get over there now? God damn it.
We have one part of the message.
All right.
Hopefully the rest will help us
We spawn
understand what
here,
happened
thank
to
God.
your bizarre...
And this fucking shotgun's FD now. Shit, it blew
That
up.
was close. Behind the safety glass.
Oh, I hit it.
Stop and listen. Damn it.
I didn't know I had to hit the other one to get this one.
Identified.
It just happened.
Non-hostile.
Just happened like that.
My new best friend.
Oh yeah.
No. You should head back to the chief engineer.
Friendship request denied. Sad noises. Returning to chief engineer.
Aww.
Stop fussing, Jim. Hopefully he picked up interdimensional messages and didn't get distracted trying to find friends.
Identified. Hostile and... Are you my new best friend?
That's the Lombax!
Yep. Still me. Bros. I've lost count.
Are you always suspicious that anyone you meet works for Emperor Nefarious?
Pretty much everyone I meet does work for Emperor Nefarious.
Ah, a fair point.
Alright. This mission's a little...
Drill platforms. Well, defunct ones. 1,000,000% sure rifts opened over here. We'll definitely find the bots.
A few boxes. Oh boys, oh boys. Oh boys, oh boys. We'll get them real quick. Bop, bop, bop. Can we get that? Oh yeah, we're going up there real quick. What? Fuck you. I'm not moving. I'm not moving. Right now, where to? Over there. Oh boy, wrong. I thought it was road. I thought that was road. I'm
Okay.
goober,
See the bot over
yeah.
on that platform on the right. Past the broken bridge.
There must be a way to reach it. closer to reaching the bot.
Oh, does this one bring me over there? Wouldn't it be so nice? Aww. Oh, hell yeah, boo boo.
Engaging charming accent.
What are y'all doing here? Turning to chief engineer with an important message.
Oh, Sam, always trying to find herself. One step closer to figuring out this message. That's all.
One step, baby.
Thanks. Come back to my survey station. Let's see what the little bots picked up from the other
Oh
side.
shit, I thought it was a glidey thing. Like a rail grind. Wasn't a rail grind.
Proximity warning. Hazardous life forms detected. Facility security lockdown engaged.
Don't worry. I designed the security system myself. Except that motion trackers are staying there inside the house. Room. The ceiling. They always
We're gonna have a problem here real quick.
What the heck is that thing?
Location.
Shock.
Unknown.
Shockity, shockity, shock,
Unknown.
shock, shock.
Protocol. Destroy.
A gift from my dimension to yours.
Oh, no.
I'm gonna reduce it to scrap metal.
I have you now.
Secrets of a shattered dimension. Crashing my mind.
Come on!
Uh-oh.
Surrender now.
Whoa! Scare me, that guy.
Detected. Security walls disowned. Thank you, and have a blazing blizzard day.
Have a blazing blizzard day. A blazing blaze, a breeze, a breezing.
Gonna take a little
A
longer to
blee,
decode
blee,
this
blee,
message. So you guys can use the drill. Jim will take you there.
Jimmy? Who the fuck's Jimmy over here? Jimmy on the spot.
Hello, are you my new best friend?
Yes, I am.
Sure?
Happy noises.
Happy
I will take you to our
noises.
base Quartz extracting drill in the name of...
Whoa! That can't be good.
That dimensional anomaly is identical to the one we saw on Sargasso.
Good. That means you can deal with it.
As your best friend, I must warn you that dimensional integrity could have
Dimensional
affected the drill.
integrity.
What's that mean?
As your best friend, I do not want you to worry, so I will not expound at this time. Instead,
Let's get in there.
I can't authorize drill usage until the blockage in that tube is.
Let's get in there. Oh shit! Another.
Ratchet. On Savali.
You did? How is he?
Oh nice, the Dimension Lizard guy.
But appropriately heroic. But I digress. Your possibilities are waiting for you to guide them to the meta-terminal.
My possibilities cannot pass through with that much wind. Is there some way I can weigh them down?
Ah, that's a heavy sphere. It will weigh down any object it touches, which sounds rather obvious when you say it out loud.
So what is in that book of yours?
The most up-to-date collection of knowledge in the universe, as cataloged by my
Fell down.
Who is that?
I believe you know him as the plumber.
He is your father? What is he doing now?
Taking his first vacation. Ever. So he left me in charge, and I'm trying my best, but it's a lot to live up to even when the universe isn't in danger.
So, how did you get the title Prophet?
Oh, I actually didn't choose the name. It was given to me by the Savali monks after I helped them decipher
monks?
some of their archives.
I think
What
we're
does
Gucci
that
for this
mean?
one.
Oh, just a lot
If not,
of
I'll have
pointing
to go
and
over
saying
there
stuff
and hit
like,
it. Bang,
that's
bang,
a
bang.
Blargian phone book. That's a Gertrude tooth. That's
Yeah,
a
I'll have to go
Terracon
over there and
love
hit
poem.
it.
I am
Budge.
blind. I think that saw can help clear the path.
The saw, where's the saw? Guy Clank. Where's the saw, bro? There's so many fucking different all right, come on, boys.
Oh my!
Good
I
stuff.
write this down because that was incredible, Clank. Only 2 more to go.
Press 5 to teleport to exit. All right. Oh boy, another
How are
one.
things going with Rivet?
Well enough. She hacked my brain and saw my memories.
Is that what you kids are doing these days? I'm so out of touch.
It is interesting. For being dimensional counterparts, Ratchet and Rivet have surprising differences. Ratchet never had any wariness of robots when he met me. Yet Rivet does.
Maybe your dimension is the outlier. Maybe all the other Ratchets don't like robots in their dimensions either.
Oh, this is a heavy one.
I don't know what to do here.
I hope I'm not interrupting your process, but I think there are more spheres left to find.
We'll do this one first. Alright.
My possibilities are a visual representation of my mind,
Okay.
trying to understand dimensionality. And the more I help them find their way, the more I will understand and be able to fix everything. That saw is blocking the path. If
There
I
we
could
go,
just
boys.
find a way to lower it.
Get 'em. Easy puzzle.
Oh, nice! I never thought to use the sphere like that.
Easy puzzle. Another one. Alright.
Is there anything about Ratchet and Rivet that's the same?
They are both very quick to take action. Unlike me, I always get so caught up in the details.
And you wish you were better about that.
Not all the time, but it would be nice to not have to worry so much.
Was fetch mig, måste Damn, bro.
I hope I'm not interrupting your process, but I think there are more spheres left to find.
Shifting into high gear.
Alright.
Clank! I think I know how to help you with your getting caught up in the details problem. You just gotta be confident.
What do you mean?
If there's one thing I've learned from my father, it's that acting like you know what you're doing can get you everywhere in life. That and carrying a plunger.
Huh. So that one needs to be a... Okay. And then we'll have to get the ground one and then the speed one here.
The Blizzard anomaly has been fixed. Great job, Clank.
The Blizzard Academy.
No, thank you. And remember,
Confidence is key. Well, that's gonna do it for this episode, everybody. Little banger, 30-minute. Hope you guys enjoyed. And don't forget to hit the like and subscribe, you know, the regulars. Peace out.